Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm just telling about the onboarding update. There was again onboarding delay after there was a 12th of May. After the 10th May there was a onboarding delay on the 22nd May. 22nd again the delay on the 29th May. There was a two onboarding delay on a month of May, but this time there was again the same situation is happening on this June also. Many candidates have received the template of a 22nd of June joining update, but they have received another mail. So I hope guys in this video I will telling about what the mail they have received about the again delay on joining date, why the joining dates have changed or something like the information. So I have guys, I think guys you have subscribed my channel. Thank you Rajput or bell icon for notification. So guys, let's go to the video. So subscribe my channel. This was the mail. Dear candidate, there has been a change in the joining date mentioned on the onboarding template. There was an onboarding template who have received the joining date of the 22nd of May, and another also something like that have received the template of a joining date of a 22nd of May or something more like. The new joining date will be informed soon. So guys, what are trying to say, their new date of joining will be informed soon. So this is not the condition valid for the candidate, because candidate have just waited for the more than 1.5 years. They have just receiving the mail joining letter of intent expiry also, and there is no another information received by the candidate they will be onboarded or not. There was a situation is going to be critical day by day, but Mphasis is not going to giving the responses. They have auto generated mail, and they have been changed the joining date again and again, because in the month of May there was a 2 date of join delay again. In the June same situation is going to be happen again this time also. There is a 22nd of June, many candidates have received the mail about the joining date. So I think so there will be a onboarded again delay. Please wait for the notification. Check your email regularly for the update. What the mail will be check again regularly. Many candidates have just received the information. There will be the joining date mentioned onboarding template. New joining date will be informed soon. So guys, I'm just telling you about you that guys, don't wait for this opportunity. Apply for the more opportunity. They have just, many company have just given the opportunity for the fresher candidate who has just passed out the 2022-2023. Why the company again cancel joining date? The situation is going to be same, because company don't have as business requirement. I'm just trying to say they are just delaying again and again, because the same condition is happening in the month of May again, and this situation is happening to the June ago, because they have just onboarding and delay again and again. They giving the date, but they have not onboarded the situation, because many candidates have only 30 to 40 students have received the joining date. Many candidates have not received. Many candidates have received the onboarding date, but they have not received the repel mail also. They have to repel mail, but they have not received the joining date also. So this is the situation. Is I'm just not trying to say what I'm trying to say, that candidates are the waiting for the more than the year. They have just playing the games, because the company is just playing the game, because they have just waited for the more than 1.5 year. Many can 2021-22 candidate, even the 23 candidate will not. I don't know what they trying to say, they will be onboarded or not. If 22nd June was, then wait, what will be the next date they inform? They have not informed the next day. What will be they giving to the next day of the onboarding of the June or July? I think so there will be the July, because from my opinion view, they have just giving the, in 1 month they will be giving the only the one batch. There in one batch there will be the 40 to 50 candidate only onboarded, but they have again delayed and again and again, and they will be shifted the just like 100 candidate will be selected, but they have given the 40 to 50 candidate, and then they shifted the 40 to 50 60 European candidate will be in another onboarding batches. They have just situation is going to be same situation. I think so guys. I'm just trying to say that if 22nd June was a date, then what will be the next date they inform. If you guys received the mail about the 22nd June, if you have received the yesterday about the mail, they will be informed soon. Your date of will be extended. So I hope guys, there was no chances. Please guys, I'm just requesting you apply for the another opportunity. I'm just telling you in every video, please guys don't wait. The company is not taking the situation is lightly, because the company is not responding again and again. Many times I have also tried. Many candidates have received the mail. Many seniors are just trying to reach with the senior. They have trying to read. They will be, many candidates have just also on a bench. So guys, I think so you got the information from my opinion. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.